Do you have a pet?
Yeah, I do. I have a cat.
Do you have a pet?
No,
I don't. No, I don't. Do you have a pet? Yes, I do. I have a dog. Do you have a pet?
No,
I don't. No, I don't.
Hello, teacher. Hello, everyone. My name is Giáo. Today, I could ask you to talk about animals.
Animals, very good. Now, what kind of animals are these? These are
Animals.
sea,
Sea animals.
and these are,
Animals.
and those are,
Forest animals.
very good. Can you point out some animals for me?
Jellyfish, starfish, crab, turtle, seagull, octopus.
Very good. What about forest animals? The forest animals, what are they? What is that one?
Circle,
Yes, what is that?
monkey, giraffe, lion.
What is that?
Fox,
Fox, very good. Now, can you tell me, what animal is this?
cow,
What food do we get from the cow?
meat and milk,
Very good. What is this?
sheep,
And this?
fish.
Now, is a pig a good pet?
No,
What animal is a good pet?
cat,
What animal is dangerous?
lion,
Yes. What animal is big?
people,
Yes. What animal is small?
cat,
Now, can you tell me what animal likes to eat bananas?
monkey,
What animal can swim?
turtle.
Very good. What pet would you like to have?
I can have a cat.
You would like to have a cat? Thank you so much.
Bye bye.